When we talk recipes for life, we're speaking about choices that make our life more meaningful, more prosperous, more effective toward our men and women in this world. Help things be better. We need to learn how to make choices early in life. That's what a black man's no cooking cookbook is all about. How do we teach our children, the next generation, to be respectful of each other, to be respectful of themselves, to make the right choices, learn how to deal with finances, learn how to deal with people, all nationality, whatever color, and have a peaceful existence between each other, to help each other, to grow with each other and help each other grow. There's a big book that says, it's iron that sharpens iron. That means that people working together for the betterment, the good habits that we have, not being envious of each other, not being covetous of each other, but doing each and everything that promotes peaceful existence, coexistence, and once again, helping our neighbor. R. Charles, Black Man No Cooking Cookbook. This isn't about cooking. This is about living peacefully. See you back in the men's room.